Hello friends, welcome back once again in the video lecture series of Theory of Computation. Today I am going to teach you about regular expression. Regular expression is a very important topic for designing a language which is known as regular language. Basically, regular language is designed for designing a finite automata. So, we are discussing regular expression through first of all these 3 points, and after that I will teach you regular expression in depth. So let us start with the first point of regular expression. So regular expression is used to generate some strings. I will show you with some examples that how we can generate strings through regular expressions and how regular expressions look like, right? After that, collectively those strings are known as regular language. Means रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशंस के थ्रू जो भी हम लोग स्ट्रिंग को हम लोग जो जनरेट करते हैं, उन स्ट्रिंग्स को अगर हम लोग मिला दें तो उसको हम लोग उस लैंग्वेज को हम लोग रेगुलर लैंग्वेज कहेंगे, राइट? सेकंड पॉइंट, दीज रेगुलर लैंग्वेजेस यानी रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन से जो हमारा जो लैंग्वेज जनरेट होता है जिसको हम लोग रेगुलर लैंग्वेज कहते हैं, वो रेगुलर लैंग्वेज आपका फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा से आपका एक्सेप्ट होता है, राइट? दैट इज वाई फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा इज ऑल्सो नोन एज एक्सेप्टर. फाइन. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली, थ्रू रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन वी कैन ऑल्सो डिजाइन फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा. दैट मीन्स अगर हमारे पास अगर रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन अगर है तो थ्रू रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन डायरेक्टली वी कैन डिजाइन फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा. सो दिस पॉइंट आई विल कवर इन सेपरेट वीडियो, राइट? Finally, very importantly, regular expression are also used for designing DFA, that is your deterministic finite automata. But I will suggest you, while designing the DFA, it will be better to design NFA through regular expression, and afterwards through NFA it's better to design DFA. Why? Because if you want to design DFA with the help of regular expression, you can design it. There will be no problem at all. But it will be complicated for designing if you are the beginner. So I will suggest you, if you want to design DFA through regular expression, it will be better to design NFA through regular expression, and after that you will design DFA through NFA. So for this point also I will create a new video for you. So what is regular expression and how it is designed, how it is represented, and how the strings are generated through regular expressions? Let us know all these things by starting with these two properties. First is known as your clean closure and second one is known as your positive closure. What is the expression of clean closure? Clean closure says that L star is equals to union of I is equals to 0 to infinity L raised to power I. What does it mean? Where L is the language, L is any language, and star represents clean closure, right? Star represent clean closure. This is the symbol of your union, right? And the language starts from 0 and it goes up to infinity. And how the language goes? It goes like L raised to power I. That means if you will expand this language L star, what you will get? You will get L raised to power 0 union, L raised to power 1 union, L raised to power 2 union, L raised to power 3 union up to infinity. Correct? So this is the formal definition of your clean closure, which starts from 0 instance of any language, 1 instance of any language, second instance of any language, third instance of any language up to infinity. But in positive closure, it shows that language plus is your positive closure of language, which starts from 1 to infinity of li. See, what is the difference between clean closure and positive closure? In clean closure, I will start from 0, but in positive closure, it will start from 1. So how it behaves? How it expands like this: L raised to power 1 union, L raised to power 2 union, L raised to power 3 union up to infinity. Correct? So there is a relationship between clean closure and positive closure. What is the relation between these two is L star is equals to L positive. This is the very important relation I am giving it to you. Please take a note of that, right? And when this video will means forward, then I will let you know on the basis of clean closure and positive closure how we will generate the strings. So this is the first example of regular expression, very basic example. How it look like, that is regular expression. In this regular expression, I am having only the alphabet which is having only one input symbol, right? Only one input symbol is there, and that is your A star. So how A star will generate the string? That is the point of discussion here, right? So just थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने आपको दो चीजें बताई थी, क्लीन क्लोजर और पॉजिटिव क्लोजर. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस आई विल ट्राई टू जनरेट द स्ट्रिंग. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. सो फॉर दिस, what is A star? A star is nothing but A0, comma A1. Comma means union of A0 and A1, right? Here I am not going to write union. A1, A2, A3, A4, right? And up to infinity. So finally the string will be in this way. A raised to power 0 is always epsilon. Please take note of that. That is A raised to power 0 is equals to epsilon. Please take this as a note, right? So epsilon, what is A raised to power 1? That is your A only. What is A raised to power 2? That is your double A. Please, this is not your A into A, right? It is not A into A, it is A followed by A, right? Okay, fine. What is A cube? That is A. What is A4? A. Here, these 4A are not getting multiplied by each other, but here it is A followed by again A, followed by again A, followed by again A, right? As if we are using some languages, we are using some letters. So these are those letters only, right? So this goes to comma, this goes to your infinity. Okay, fine. Let's take another example, like alphabet is there, and in this alphabet I am taking two input symbols, and this input symbol is defined by this A star, AB star, sorry. So how it will behave? So let's see for this. Okay, so we will start with AB raised to power 0, comma AB raised to power 1, comma AB raised to power 2, comma AB raised to power 3, same up to infinity. So what ultimately we will get from this regular expression? We will get anything power 0 is epsilon. Again it will be epsilon. One instance of AB, that is A followed by B. It is not A into B, A followed by B. Next, what will be the expansion of AB square? It will be AB, right? Please take note of that. That's why I am teaching you in a very simpler way, right? What will be this expansion? AB 3 times, and it goes on. What will be for 4? AB. It's not comma, and it goes to up to infinity. It goes to infinity. So I think you have very well understood about this clean closure. Now take one more example. Third example is What will be if sigma A, and somebody ask about A plus. So for A plus it will start from A raised to power 1. Okay, so it will start with A1, A2, A3 up to infinity, right? So the solution to this will be your A, and it will goes to up to infinity, right? So next one, AB positive closure. So ये क्या होगा? It will start with AB raised to power 1. Instead of 0, it will start from raised to power 1. Next, AB raised to power 2, AB raised to power 3, and up to infinity. So what I will get finally, I will get first AB as it is. Second, I will get AB, right? Third, I will get AB, 3 times. Next 4 times, and it will goes up to infinity, right? It will goes up to infinity. Correct. Next example, just take about say sigma A comma B. That means I am having 2 input symbols, and if somebody asks about say A plus B whole star, right? So A plus B whole star. What does it mean? First of all, we should know what is the basic difference between AB and A plus B. In AB, what does it mean? Ki B will always followed by A. Correct? B will always following A in AB. And in A plus B, this is the union. That means either some string will start from A and some string can also start from B. That is why here plus I am using, right? Whenever you have to create or prepare some string with all possible outcomes, then you have to write, you have to use union. This plus shows you union. Let's see how, right? So what is A plus B whole star? So A plus B whole star means A plus B ka 0. Next, A plus B raised to power 1. Next, A plus B whole raised to power 2. Next, A plus B whole raised to power 3. And it goes on up to infinity. It goes on up to infinity. Now see how it behaves. I have already told you that is anything power 0 is epsilon only. So first string will be your epsilon only from here, right? Comma. What is A plus B raised to power 1? A plus B raised to power 1 means either the string starts from A or the string starts from B. Because here I have not used this symbol. I have used plus. That's why sometimes it will start with A and sometimes it can be start from B. Okay, fine. What about this one? From this one we will get, sorry, this one is over now. Yes, from this one we will get, it starts from AA and it ends with BB. I will just let you know how, right? Please take it as a note right here. Okay, what will be for this one? It will start from AAA and it will goes to up to BBB, right? And it goes for 4, 5, 6 and it goes up to infinity. Now finally what I will get from this regular expression, what is the language generated finally is like this. It will start from epsilon. This is the final string I am generating, right? One instance of AB, that is A comma B. It starts from A and AA and it stops at BB. That means either AA or AB or BA or BB. I think so. It is clear to you, right? Fine. What I will get from here? I will get 8 combinations from here. How? Let's see. AAA, AAB, ABA, ABB, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, BAA, right? DAB, I'm writing here, BBA and DBB. So these 8 combinations will lie in between AAA and BBB, right? Similarly, you can go for further AAAA to BBBB, and it will goes up to infinity. So I think this thing is quite clear to you, right?